Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Index from the 2023 Wave 10, and it is Chase Briscoe's Mahindra Tractor's Tony Stewart themed car. So on the back you can get cars like AJ Allmendinger's Gain car, Alex Bowman's Patriotic car, Daniel Suarez's Pitbull Freeway Insurance car, Justin Haley's Tide car, and in this wave it has the the AJ Allmendinger Gain Chase Piece car. So I'm going to take this car out of the box and I'll be right back to show you the car. Alright, so now that the car is out of the box, let's take a look at this car and also more about the car. So this car was raced at Talladega on April of 2023, and Mahindra decided to do something different and had some fun with the paint scheme, and instead of having these dirt treads, they replaced them with a blue mountain background. And you can see Tony Stewart in a bathrobe holding up a cup of cappuccino. And you can see there is Tony Stewart right there. So the Mahindra tractor still has that red paint job. And of course, it's still got the Mahindra Tractors logo. But it also says, "You old goat." Goat is what Chase Briscoe said to Tony Stewart when he and Tony Stewart did all of those commercials for Mahindra Tractors. So on the side of the car, you got still the same number 14 that Stewart Haas always had. You also had here Mahindra Tractors, and I think this is a post letter. We got Rush Truck Centers, MVP. That's not most valuable player, by the way. And it's pretty much the same on the other side of the car, although Tony Stewart is now facing the other direction. Gear wrench, his name on top of the hood. And you still got the Ford Mustang body before the Dark Horse came in. Overall, this is, I think, a very good looking car. And I think that'll conclude today's episode. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.